Find features that distinguish it from other brands for WMQ 10-inch powered home subwoofer. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful bass with 10-inch woofer. Equipped with a 10-inch woofer that utilizes a high-rigidity paper composite diaphragm, this powered subwoofer is designed to deliver deep and tight bass. It aims to reproduce rich and impactful low frequencies that can enhance your audio experience for various media. Clean sound with efficient amplifier. The subwoofer features a Class A/B amplifier with 300 watt RMS power. This amplifier design is chosen for its ability to help produce clean and powerful bass response, contributing to a detailed listening experience that many users find enjoyable. Immersive and layered audio performance. Featuring a sturdy voice coil and a flexible surround, the 10-inch woofer works to produce layered bass details. It can help evenly distribute sound in spaces such as living rooms and bedrooms, supporting an immersive soundscape for movies, music, and games. Sturdy MDF enclosure for durability. Crafted with a medium-density fiberboard or MDF structure, this subwoofer is built to minimize unwanted resonance. The sturdy construction helps protect the internal components and is engineered for long-term use. Simple setup and broad compatibility. Offering both RCA line input and a dedicated LFE, SUB, input, this subwoofer is compatible with most AV receivers, TVs, and media players. The straightforward connection process allows for quick setup, helping you get enhanced bass with minimal effort. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.